पूरी चीज़ ने योर रिलेशनशिप विद द स्पिरिचुअलिटी और विद द गॉड, वो वाली चीज़ कितना ज़्यादा लाइक चेंज्ड और लाइक डेवलप्ड?
I would say not much because I have always, like, I was brought up in a household where our Muslimness was not ritualistic. हमें हमेशा एम्फेसिस ये दी गई थी कि सिंपल काम ना करो, सिर्फ माथा टेकने की बात नहीं है, गरीबों के साथ अच्छा करो, किसी को तकलीफ़ ना दो, मेहनत करो, किसी का हक ना मारो, which is much harder to do. So I think that I realized that I need to do the hard stuff in this state because it takes a lot out of you, being consistently nice to somebody who is not okay.
Yeah.
Because at some point you understand they're not okay, but maybe 6 months, right? Or by the way, Yasir had tumor was a 20-year tumor, so he's not been well for a very long time. So वो beach like 2017 में तो सिर्फ मुझे समझ आई कि he's not well, but the challenges were always there, and yet it's his recovery that is so fascinating. So I think जो changes आए हैं मुझ में वो ये है कि I think I've admired he's so stubborn. He's so stubborn and strong-willed, and he wrote a book after his surgery. And then he went to Harvard and he did his barristry. So there's a lot of obsessive personality in him. So he goes after this, he's fixated after that. But I'm like, wow, what a coping strategy, right? Aap implode nahi kar rahe, aap create kar rahe ho. So there was that admiration, which I think is a reflection of the creative human. Then I realized because I got very sick with him as well. एक टाइम था कि यासिर बेड पे लेटे होते थे with पट्टियाँ शट्टियाँ और मैं साफ़ करती थी, and then I would get sick for 3 months and not be able to move. Fibromyalgia हो गया था, which is basically an autoimmune disorder, stress की वजह से. And I realized that, spirituality is really about integration of the mind and body and the spirit. So I can't disrespect the signals that my body is giving me. If it feels unsafe, I need to bring it to safety. If it feels कि ये सही situation नहीं है, I need to protect it. So I think मेरे जो हाथ पाँव दिमाग physically, I realized कि नहीं, इसको ignore नहीं करना. And what they do to desi girls is they equip them with a lot of kindness and politeness and propriety, and they send them out into the world, which is extremely hostile. I have never learned to protect myself from emotional harm. So I wasn't equipped. I had to learn it on the go. And sometimes I feel like वो trigger कुछ ज़्यादा switch हो जाता है. मुझे इतना डर लगता है, कि I am not protecting my boundaries, कि मैं over protect कर लेती हूँ. So I had to learn that. And I think वो जो rights आपको आपकी spirituality या religion देती है, I think उसको वो एक simple rule है. वो ये है कि किसी को भी अपनी dignity को इतना harm ना करने दो कि आपकी divinity ख़राब हो जाए या आपका access to some kind of belief ख़राब हो जाए.